How to use T-machine.
If you measure one macro in 4 hours at the same time, the packing speed is very faster, and this measuring device is very accurate. The error doesn't excess 1 or 0.5 grams, and second the device is the ultrasonic sealing device. You can see the inner bag sealing by the ultrasonic is very tightly and very beautiful. And the knife edge cut, we can set it rotate. If it is set rotate, the back shape is like this, is a triangle. If you set the knife is not rotate, the back type is a 4-side back. So you can offset it by the PLC control system. This PLC control system can also set the speed of this packing machine, and you can also set the language of this device. You can set Spanish and other language. All the language you want, you can set it. The speed of this machine is also usually the stable speed is 35 per minute, so it's very fast.